Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to measure your room with a ruler on the Room Planner application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the home button down below, which is the first option. And now select a room that you want to measure. Click on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down till you find the measure with the ruler option, but first you need to select the unit of measurement that you use. You can select from 4 options: meters, centimeters, feet and inches. So tap on the relevant one that you would like to use and click on custom. Tap on apply and then select measure with the ruler. Now you need to add the point, so just simply scroll your finger or with your finger on the room plan, and then tap on the button down below, and here you will be able to see the measured or the measurement of your room on that particular area that you have selected. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.